Hello, Billie the Artist here, back with, at last, a video to say I am now back doing some how to draw videos, and we've done, at last, Luna Lovegood. This will be online tomorrow, and I'm really pleased. Like I say, thank you so much for your patience. It's been an interesting time. I've still got a lot to do. A quick update is, I say, you saw me changing my studio, sorting that out after more than 20 years worth of work. I had to get a new machine. And I'm now also, like I say, this is over the next couple of months. I've now got lots of new software to learn, new editing software that will allow me to edit not just my videos, but also some for my wife, because my wife has a YouTube channel. Check out sharonbill.com. She does lots of music theory lessons. She's got over 800 videos. And she's done all ABRSM grades 1 to 5 past papers, and this is all music theory, and she does some piano videos as well, and she's now started doing Trinity College London. And again, we've had to invest in a new machine because our machines were so old. To get one of these done, so to give you an idea, to process this video, this is another reason why it was taking so long, and I was working so, like I say, it was slightly bonkers. Appreciate your patience. But to do one of the how to draw videos, so this one that will be on tomorrow, it's going to be about 3.5 hours long. You know that my videos are 3.5 to sometimes over 4 hours long for the full portraits. And I love doing it and I love helping you. But for me to process that, to then be able to get that up on YouTube, takes about a day, or took about a day. So that's why we've had to, work as hard as we can to get we did want a new machine each, because then I can do my videos on mine, my wife can do her videos on hers. But we can't. We could only afford, because of all the lockdown and everything, we could only afford to buy one new machine. So we've now got to work out a workflow so we can get all of that lot done. But what used to take a day to process one of these videos, so Ariana Grande or Snape or Dumbledore or any of those, that was like I say, it was a day's work to process the videos, and I was still trying to do all the stuff, so the computer was doing loads of work and it just couldn't cope. Now a 3.5 hour video is getting processed in an hour, which is absolutely wonderful. So this is why there are lots of problems and lots of issues, and that's what I've been doing to try and sort stuff out. So anyway, you will have, this will be live tomorrow. So it's June the 24th. This will be live on June the 25th, 2020. And then, hopefully, as long as we can fit other stuff in around and carry on doing this stuff, I can then get back to doing more videos. So thank you so much for your patience. As I say, I've got new software to learn as well that will enable me to do lots more video processing in a better way than just doing them one at a time as I used to do in limited software. So again, it's all fun. There's a lot of change, but thank you so much for your patience. Please do like and subscribe. Use the hashtag Drawing with Billie, and enjoy drawing Luna Lovegood tomorrow. See you soon. Ta-da.